If this doesn't turn out, we're making
This is the greatest science experiment slime ever. Think that's enough?
Stop!
Okay, that should be enough. But it just smells so good.
Stop!
All right, guys.
So, we are making slime.
Kitchen sink slime.
Slime.
Yes. So what we're gonna do, like we're gonna take all the ingredients from all the different slimes that we've made. Baby oil, foam soap, hand soap, cornstarch, glue, and foam. And
coloring.
And some of this diazo or whatever it's called.
Foam stuff.
Foam stuff. We're gonna mix it in.
Coloring. Don't forget coloring.
Yeah. So start with the. Oh, we need a mixing spoon. Okay, so put the glue in the bowl.
Okay.
And while you do that, I'm shaking up the shaving cream.
Okay.
We don't know how this is gonna turn out, guys. Hopefully it's amazing.
Hopefully it's the best slime in world history. In slime's history.
Yep, it's gonna be called the world's greatest, bestest,
Guys,
slimest.
when my parents get their new phone, they're gonna give their phone to me, and I'm gonna start an Instagram page, and it's gonna be called Galaxy Slimes.
Guys,
thumbs up for that.
Guys, do you want Madison to make Galaxy Slimes on the internet?
No, it's not Galaxy Slimes. It's just called Galaxy Slimes, because you know, mom's friend's daughter's name is Diamond Slimes, whatever. Well, yeah.
Okay, so we got all the glue in there, almost.
Almost, it's still coming out.
So I'm gonna put a bunch of shaving cream in there.
No,
I'm not. Look at that! I didn't measure, guys. So it's gonna be the fluffiest ever.
The fluffiest slime in world history. We should have used a Red Bull.
No, this would be fine. I thought this bowl would be big enough. Okay, that's enough.
Now what?
Okay, so put this over here.
Okay, can I pick my color?
Yeah, pick your color, and I'm just mixing this up.
Guys, we have so much food coloring, like, you don't know how much.
Look at
Last time I wanted to make it this color, so yeah, I'm gonna make it this color this time. And it's gonna be so pretty because we're gonna add the foam stuff, and it's gonna get baby pink. Oh my gosh, it's just gonna be so pretty.
Guys, look at this. Look how fluffy that slime is already.
Oh,
Well, it's not slime yet. Okay, so let's put some cornstarch in there. We don't. Yeah, we don't measure anything around here today because this is experimental slime.
Yeah, experimental slime.
Experimental slime today, guys.
When can I add my food coloring?
You can add it. Let's add the baby powder or baby
oil.
Yeah.
Ew, it's so dusty. We've had this in our closet for forever. And our slime container that we keep in the closet. That's what I meant to say.
Okay. So let's add some of that in there.
We have a whole box of slime materials, guys.
Oh, we didn't put lotion. We need to get lotion in here. Okay, so I'm going to put a squirt of baby oil in here. Don't know why, but I'm doing it. Some baby oil.
Yeah, a squirt.
Yeah, just a little bit. Hopefully that makes it stretchy. Oh.
Or not stretchy.
Yeah.
And then I can add my food coloring. Right?
Yeah, so that's the baby oil. Hopefully it makes it, it's making it, hopefully it makes it less sticky maybe?
We need borax.
Oh, I got that. It's in the jar. I got slime activator.
Oh, right here.
Okay, guys. Then we're going to put some Trader Joe's lotion in here. Don't ask me why. But we'll put a few pumps of that in there.
We don't know, so don't ask.
Yeah, this is kitchen sink slime. Put everything in there. Oh, and let's get some foam soap in there too.
Wow, my bad. If this doesn't turn out, we're making
This is the greatest science experiment slime ever. Think that's enough?
Stop!
Okay, that should be enough. But it just smells so good.
Stop!
Okay. So we're gonna put, look at all that, guys. So we're gonna put, it's gonna be the best slime ever.
That's gonna be the worst one ever.
Oh man, that smells so delicious. It's gonna be a chemical reaction. Okay.
So delicious.
Look how foamy that is, guys. My hand is getting crazily cramped.
This is where the magic happens, guys. How many drops?
I don't know, put 3 drops in and we'll see what that looks like.
Oh gosh.
Oh, that was probably 5. Here, let's see what that looks like real quick. Jeez Louise.
Okay.
Is this pink, you said?
Yeah, it says rose pink right on the bottle. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's
And
the
then once
sugar.
we add this, it's gonna make the baby pink.
Oh, that's the sugar. Yeah, we made this bubble gum. We made a huge batch with a gallon of that. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we just need the slime activator now, guys. That looks like bubble gum, doesn't it? Strawberry shake.
This is gonna be called the strawberry shortcake slime.
Strawberry milkshake slime. What are you talking about? Look how delicious that looks.
Fine, strawberry milk.
That looks so good.
I'll eat it.
No, guys, don't eat slime.
Remember when In and Out?
Okay.
You strawberry shake?
Look, that looks so. This looks like a vanilla or strawberry shake from In and Out.
It does.
Okay, so let's add a little bit of this activator, a little bit at a time. I don't know how much is a little. Okay, Mads, it's turning to slime. Look. Not yet. Okay, let's do another couple of these. Okay, almost there, guys.
And then we're
Oh,
gonna
look
this.
at that. It's not quite slime yet. Still needs a lot more, I think, activator. Actually, hold on. Look at that. Oh. This is webbing. Yeah, I still think, yeah, it's way too sticky still. Go ahead and add like 3 more, maybe? Is that the magic, guys? Oh, there we go. I think that was it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Look, it's coming out. Yes. It's the world's best slime.
Can I feel it?
Oh, yes. You can feel it. Let me get it off the table. Get it on the table. Oh, we need more. Mix it.
Can you, someone, oh my gosh.
Mix.
Oh, over my shirt.
Okay,
It's
mix it.
alive.
Oh, gosh. Okay, mix it until it stops sticking to you.
Someone, just put up.
Oh. Okay, mix it until it stops sticking to everything
And everyone.
in the sink. If you know what I mean. Okay, there we go. It's good. This is the good slime.
Yeah,
This is
good.
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 Kitchen sink slime, guys.
Oh gosh, guys.
Ooh,
It's sticky to the table.
Yeah.
that's ASMR for you.
It's gonna come
It's
together.
so stretchy.
It's gonna come together here in a minute.
It's a bit too stretchy, I feel like.
Yep.
Put some in mine too.
Hold on.
Things are getting out of control, guys.
Oh, be careful. Okay, we'll just sop it up.
Oh, hopefully it doesn't ruin the table.
Just- okay.
Yeah. Roll. Let's roll.
She cut the fork.
Okay, hold on, Matt. Watch it. Watch the end of the table. Here, hold on.
Oh gosh, it's Teddy.
Here, watch out.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys. So here are the slime containers that we have.
We let them sit for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, we let it sit. Guys, it took forever to get it to not be so sticky. So, Mads, why don't you go ahead and do your to them right
I
there.
don't think it's gonna be clicky. No.
Oh, it's not clicky.
clicky.
How do you make clicky slime? Okay, so
It can't be too soft.
so now what Mads is going to do is take that diazo, which is this stuff, guys.
But it's white.
Yeah, except for it's white. So where's it say? Oh, diazo, right there.
It actually colors it.
Whatever this stuff is. Okay, and Mads is going to mix it into the whole thing or just one little piece of it?
The whole.
Do it to that small one. Mix all of this into the in front.
I don't know how to mix it. Can you?
She said don't do it all.
But you did it all.
But I did it all. 'Cause you know why?
It's turning so pretty.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Is pretty. Feel it right there.
Oh, it's so clumpy.
It is clumpy, but it's also like
But it
soft.
becomes soft at the end once you mix it all in. And really buttery too.
What should you call this one?
Kitchen Sink Studios.
No!
Kitchen Sink one.
Strawberry milkshake.
Oh yeah, strawberry milkshake.
Oh, yeah.
With strawberry milkshake with
With nothing.
with
White foam stuff.
whipped cream.
But milkshakes already have one.
Hold on. I want the focus right there.
Right next to it. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. That looks like.
Guys, this is the best slime. I said that the last time we had
I
the
know.
purple slime when we made it with this.
You know what that?
Do it.
It looks like a marshmallow. Or taffy. Like if you made taffy.
Yeah, taffy.
Like, oh, watch.
You guys don't let me have taffies.
That's what it looks like, guys. If you guys were to go to a taffy factory.
Oh yeah, taffy.
Oh,
like
that's got the greatest texture for those thumbnails that people do when they go like this and they do the thumbnail. Like this has got the best texture for that. Look at that.
I can make it too. Here's mine. Boom!
And it stays.
Mine's
the texture
better.
stays.
Mine's better. Everybody knows that mine's better. Look at mine. Mine looks like a rose. Mine looks like a
It does look
rose.
like a rose.
Origami slime. Origami slime. I made that up. Guys, this literally looks like a rose. Like, oh my god.
I got kissed from a rose.
Looks like a rose. Bye guys. Hope you guys liked it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Do you guys like these slime videos that we do for you
And
guys?
leave in the comments down below if you want some more slime videos.
Mads loves making this stuff,
I
so.
love slime.
She loves slime, she loves reborn, she loves LOL dolls. Which do you like better?
I like.
Reborn slime?
Yeah, I don't know. I like all.